Hello everyone, it's Bex here and I'm back with another video in my series, You Have 4 Minutes for Meditation. Today's meditation is another by request from my private Facebook group that I encourage you to join by clicking on that link in the video description. And it's about easing anxiety, negative and scary thoughts. This one is going to make you feel powerful and alive by the end. Every Sunday, I attend a sweet little church, a Unity church at the Jersey Shore, and meditation is at the center of every sermon. Today's meditation felt so good that while I was doing it, I was thinking, I really want to share this with my audience. And as we left, we were handed a piece of paper with the exact meditation on it. So I modified it a bit to tailor it specifically for my audience. And without further ado, let's get started. I want you to find your easy or comfortable seat, and that means just sit however works for you. It could be on the floor on a pillow like me, in bed, on a couch, at your desk, whatever works. Sit up nice and tall so that energy may flow freely from the crown of your head all the way down to your seat. You can do this by inhaling your shoulders up to your ears like so, and exhaling your shoulder blades down along your spine. You can place your hands on your knees or your thighs downturned or upturned to receive the energy around you. I recommend upturned for this particular meditation. And if it feels safe and comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes and join me in meditation. I'm going to keep my eyes open because I'm going to be reading from my sheet. And if you wish to keep your eyes open, just focus on something in the room softly. Bring your attention to your breath, your easy inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. Feel your inhale enter through your nostrils. Follow it down the back of your throat, filling your chest, your belly, resting in your seat, and then flowing up and out again through your nose or your mouth. Just follow your next inhale and then exhale. Easy and at your own pace. So when I put the call out in my private Facebook group about which meditation they'd like me to make next, I got a lot of different suggestions, but the overwhelming consensus was that people wanted to get rid of those negative thoughts that kept repeating in their heads. Those angry thoughts, those fearful, scary thoughts. There's so much going on in the world right now, in our news. And for sensitive people, some of you might identify as empaths, it's been a really hard time. So we're absorbing all of this negative energy, but because we love so big and we want to heal and help people, we have to keep going. A lot of you out there are mothers and nurturers, and you have others to care for. So we have to pick ourselves up and keep moving forward with faith, belief, strength, and optimism. Throughout this meditation, I'm going to call out mantras for you, affirmative mantras, I am statements. After I read it off the paper, I want you to repeat it either out loud with a whisper or silently to yourself. Repeating the mantra allows it to become real. It gives it life and energy. So I'm going to read each affirmative mantra, each I am statement, and then with your next inhale and exhale, the complete breath cycle, I want you to repeat the mantra on the exhale. Some of you who are familiar with the Bible might recognize some of these, but it doesn't matter what faith you're coming from, whether you believe in God or you call it spirit or the universe or just life force or collective consciousness. This is for all of you. Please take it in the spirit in which it's delivered, which is love and inclusion Here's your first mantra. I am that I am. Repeat on your exhale. I am the open door which no human can shut. I am the light which lights every being. I am the way. I am the truth. I am the fulfillment of all my needs in this moment. I am the manifestation of perfection. I am the unlimited light of spirit. I am a beloved of spirit. Return to your easy inhales and exhales, knowing that what you have just affirmed is absolutely true. It has been made manifest in your body, in your soul. Because you have spoken these words and received them, a seed has been planted. You needn't fear anything. You have all that you need to move forward with faith and ease and peace and comfort. And as you connect to the collective consciousness, as you make yourself open to the love and support of spirit, and then also of your other brothers and sisters in this world, you become unstoppable because you are held, you are cradled in love. Every inhale and exhale for the remainder of this meditation and for the duration of your day will be an affirmation of your aliveness, of your faith, of your strength, of your power. So those negative thoughts, those oppressive feelings of hopelessness that sometimes come over you, they are nothing compared to your faith and your will to move forward. Feel that energy flowing through you. Feel the energy carried on your life force, on your inhales and your exhales. As your inhale enters your body, feel it fill all of the spaces inside of you, down your arms to your fingertips, down your legs to your toes. Feel life force swirling inside of you, giving you life, providing love, easing your worry, allowing you to relax and to let go. I am that I am. I have the whole universe inside of me. I am powerful because I am here. My breath is an affirmation of my faith, of my strength, of my power. I am that I am. I have all of the power of the universe inside me. Return to your inhales and exhales. Acknowledge their power to ease your worry, to affirm your strength. Allow them to bring you back to a state of peace and calm, even after you exit your meditation, even after you leave this space. Know that wherever you are, whatever you're experiencing, just by returning to your inhale and exhale, you can return to peace, calm, safety, and strength. Stay here in meditation for as long as you'd like. And when you're ready, only when you're ready, put a smile on your face. Take a nice big breath. Open your eyes and return to your day. Thank you for meditating with me.